Hey guys, I am back again with another video, and in this video I'm going to show you what my nighttime skincare routine looks like. So I've been having a lot of problem with acne lately, and I've gotten into the habit of like popping bumps, and obviously those turn into scabs and leave those marks on my face. And as you can see, I have a whole lot of them. Like, my pores are big, I have blackheads, and they're not going anywhere. So let's get started. So I'm using the Acne Foaming Wash from Panoxyl. This is my first time using this product from them. I usually use another product. It's not an acne foaming wash, but it is a cleanser. And so I'm making sure I get it all over my face, massage it in. I think the only downside to this product is that it doesn't actually foam up. Like, as you can see, I'm kind of like adding water and stuff to see if I could get something, but I'm not. Either way, it did do the job. My face did feel clean after I used it, but I'm just making sure I really massage it into my cheeks especially. And so here I'm making sure I get down to my neck because those are my problem areas. I get a lot of acne in my jaw and on my neck. And so I'm going to use this towel I got from Gleeman. If you don't know, Gleeman is a company that sells a lot of turmeric-based products. And I do have their like clay paste. So I love doing that as well. Here I'm going to use the Ordinary peeling solution. And I love this product because it's so cool. Only because it looks like blood. That's a weird thing for me to say, but I love what it does. When I first started using this product, my skin actually burned a little bit when I applied it to my face, but I feel like that's because my skin was compromised. But now, not so much of that is happening. Like, it's actually comfortable, and you're supposed to leave it on for 10 minutes, and I don't go any minute over. So I make sure I put a thin layer on my skin. I've seen a lot of videos where people have applied too much and it kind of did the opposite. Like, they would break out if they put too much on their skin or they used it too often in the week. So with this peeling solution, I only use it twice a week because I don't want to like have any scars or anything or damage my face any further. I'm just trying to get rid of the dark marks. That's all. And here, as you can see, I didn't put any on my neck. I never actually do. I just make sure it goes like on my jaw area and under my chin. So here I washed off the product, pretty much just rinsed it off with like a little bit of warm water, and I'm patting my skin again before I use my toner. And with the toner, you're gonna wanna make sure you use the toner just to help the black spots, poof, disappear. So here I'm just using a little bit. I'm just gonna swipe my face once because if I have washed my face correctly, then there shouldn't be like gunk or anything on my pads. And here I'm making sure I take the toner down to my neck as well. I know some people use witch hazel, so you can use witch hazel as well. And now I'm using the anhydrous solution from The Ordinary. Most of my products are from The Ordinary, so you'll be hearing that a lot. This product, I actually picked it up by accident because I thought it was the thicker salicylic acid solution. I didn't open up the box or anything. All of the boxes are white, so I just went by the name. But I use this product. It's really thin, so that's why you see that it kind of just ran down my face like that. But I don't really like the smell, y'all. Like, I don't like it at all. But it does the job that I needed to do, so that's good. So here I'm using the niacinamide and zinc solution. Love this product. I would say the only downside to it is that if you don't use a cream on top of it, you're gonna get this really sticky residue on your face. Like, if you touch your face, it's like glue. That's what it comes off as, glue. So this time that happened to me because I didn't have any more of my face cream, and I used the one from The Ordinary as well. But this product, I am making sure I go down to my neck as well. Like any skin product that I'm gonna sleep in, I make sure I go down to my neck. Here I'm making sure I massage it into my skin, like really get in there, because the niacinamide is a brightening solution. So I'm making sure I focus more on my neck and my cheeks. My forehead doesn't really need it so much, but my cheeks, y'all, like I don't know why my cheeks get so bad, but it's been a really long time since my skin has looked like this and I need it back. Here I'm showing y'all my skin. It looks real glossy, real glassy. Um, I honestly love these products together. Like The Ordinary has never failed me, and it's really cheap. Like not in the sense of the quality, but the price. So I will see you guys in my next video, and have a good night.